Hello guys and welcome to XEN Network XEN Coin, which is so mysterious and and different that it doesn't have a logo on the website. I found it on the Twitter of Mr. Jack 11. He's an ex Google employee or one of the founders, probably, if he's number 21. And this is breaking the internet right now for a couple of reasons. The main, probably most interesting to you guys, is because it's free to mint. So I'm just gonna go into it a little bit more, then obviously you can research a little bit more, but guys, you can mint it for free, and I'm gonna show you right now because I did it already on Binance Smart Chain. You can do it on those other chains. As you can see, I'm gonna do here live with you on Polygon and probably Avalanche because I have some money in there. I don't have any Ethereum, so the only thing in general that will cost you is a transaction fee to start minting. So this is how it's going to look like. You click on mint, and as you can see, the only thing you can choose are the days. So I chose 365 days, which I will get around 22 million, and that's it. That's all there is. It's already 5 days in. Then you can stake it. At the moment, staking was 20% APY. But the idea behind it, the huge idea, is obviously the price to increase because it starts with no price at all. So let me just quickly tell you what it is, and this tweet here will be very interesting indeed. In a nutshell, and I'll post below this interview, which is very interesting, explains everything about what it is. In a nutshell, I would say the guy wants to make a new Bitcoin for the next generation. Will it work or not? I'm not sure. At least it's free to start, and obviously time will tell. So this tweet here is saying everything in a nutshell. Why is it so powerful? Because there is no pre-mint. So usually how the coins work, you've got a certain amount pre-minted, distributed to the owners, to the team, whatnot, and sort of already diluting the total available amount, and then people obviously can sell it. If it appreciates, that dumps the price and causes all sorts of problems. There is no pre-minting here, so you can mint it the same way as the owner here, as I did. Literally, you press a button, start minting, connect your wallet to MetaMask, obviously have some BNB, and that's it. All you need is probably 0.01 BNB for transaction fee. That's it. So that's very, very important. No admin keys, which is proven on the blockchain that the owner has deleted or got rid of the admin key, so he can't do anything with the contract, can't change anything. So this is again sort of a similarity to Bitcoin, where obviously you have Satoshi Nakamoto, mysterious figure that disappeared. Nobody knows who he is, and the code cannot be changed. The Bitcoin code cannot be changed. In Bitcoin, they were obviously minting a little bit. They were testing the network because that was the first coin of its kind. In here, obviously, it's already many years after Bitcoin launch, so they already know how these things work. So they didn't do that. Immutable contract, again, that you can't change the contract. Very important in crypto. No listings on centralized exchanges. That will help it probably to maintain stability, and starts with zero supply. So like I said, all the coins that we are minting here are going to start, it's literally started now. I'm not sure what's the smallest amount of days that you can do. I need to check that, so you can get them earlier and stake them if you want. I just put like 365 days because I don't mind waiting a year, see what's gonna happen to this thing, and obviously maybe it will grow. If it's gonna take 10 years, whatever, but I'm very excited. And the other reasons that I've seen here, why is it so interesting, the guy wants it, this Jack wants it basically to be a way of payment. So something like Bitcoin today on different networks, obviously, because it's multi-chain, and hopefully it can be sort of a a coin for everyone. Let's call it coin that for the people, because yeah, I think we need that, something like that. Now after Bitcoin went so high up, this one might take a long time again, but at least it's very, very honest and good way, made in a good way from the start. So let me just show you quickly how to do it, how to mint it. It will be the same for all the networks, but like I said, watch this video. I'm gonna post below an interview which is very interesting. So once you go to the main one, to the dash, I think, or to the main page, I will just drop it there. You choose whichever you want. I've already chosen Bitcoin, obviously, Binance Smart Chain, but now let's go to Polygon. I'm just gonna show you. You connect your wallet or switch your wallet if you're already connected. Switch it to Polygon. You have the stats here. Term 365. I'm just gonna put it the same way, but you can choose whatever you want. I'm honestly not sure what's the minimum one and how much you're gonna get. Let me just choose one. I'm gonna choose one just to have, see what's gonna happen, honestly, because you can do it on different wallets as well. So you can connect another wallet if you have and do the same thing on another wallet, maybe more days, maybe have a couple of them running like that together. Obviously it's up to you. I'm testing as well, but it's got a huge hype around it. People are talking about it. Obviously a big guy from Google is behind it, and he renounced all access to it, all the keys, and it's completely free to mint for everyone, and everyone can get access to it at the same time. Very honest and very good approach. So hopefully it will really be successful. Okay, I had to switch to Avalanche. Actually, something wrong with Polygon. They didn't want to complete the transaction, so you might try it as well on yours. Binance worked well, Avalanche now worked well, and I just chose one day just to test it, and I'll still get like 3,286. So I'll see how it goes, maybe stake it after I get it, and then I'll try to mint some more if I can. Not sure if it's gonna be possible, but maybe it will be possible, who knows. So let's see how it goes. But this is it, guys. Zen Crypto from the Fair Crypto Foundation, Jack Levin from Google. Very honest, very good approach, and let's see how it goes. Everything is free apart from some transaction fees, which you have to obviously top up a little bit account. So this is it, guys. Thank you for watching.